Hi, I'm Rodney with the Pinske Edge. I'm the tool division manager here at the Pinske Edge. We are an employee-owned company, and I have been with them for 30 years. Today we are going to talk about the model 6900 vertical seaming table, what it is and how it works. Let's talk about some of the advantages. This table can be used on both sides. And while the seams are setting on one side, you can go to the opposite side and start seaming there. It's great because it saves floor space, and you can sand your glue on your seams off right on the table. All we're going to do is clean the seam, apply the glue. We're going to turn the machine on, put the vacuum pump on. We're going to pull down these red cups and get them all attached to the seam, centered on the seam, and vacuum them all down. To put the pressure on, you just apply the cam lock lever, push it down. That will squeeze the glue out, make the surface of the top flush, and you'll end up with a beautiful seam. So now our glue is dried. We're going to remove these cups off the top. We're going to turn all the valves off one at a time on the vacuum cups. We're going to push this release valve here, and that will let the vacuum out of the cup. This table also can be used for wood, such as a veneer or melamine wood. It works real good on melamine as well. It's really nice to sand off the glue right on the table using a Festool sander in grind mode. Pull the part off, put it on a table, get it out of your way, and you're ready to start your next seam. I want to thank you again for watching this video of the Pinske Edge seaming table. If you would like to find out more information about this table or any of the Pinske Edge products, please look us up at www.pinske-edge.com, or you can call us at 800-874-6753, and we'd be happy to answer any of your questions. Thanks again.